You may have experienced the appearance of filter marks and are confused about how to remove them. They can be very distracting and are no longer useful. Removing or eliminating them is very easy. Watch this tutorial to learn how. Before that, subscribe to this channel to receive notifications of new videos from us, and also click the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. There are two ways to remove filter marks in Microsoft Excel. The first method is to go to the Home menu in Microsoft Excel, then select Sort and Filter. Then select Filter to disable the filter in the Excel worksheet. The second method is to select all cells with filter marks, then press the Delete key on your keyboard, and the filter marks will automatically disappear. Easy, right? That's how to remove filter marks in Microsoft Excel 2019. We hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.